I decided to get dental implants because my regular dentist, he suggested them because I was investing so much money in the different implants and everything like that. So it was just it's just time to just get rid of my teeth because I was investing too much money into them, and in the long term it wasn't paying off. I've never had this nice of a smile before, so that's just nice to have, and I'm just looking forward to having a solution that I'm not always worrying about is my, I'm going to have a broken tooth or need a new implant or pain and all that. My experience has been very, very positive from the very beginning to this point. Whenever I had to call in to get, like, my temporaries broke a couple times, and very accommodating about getting me in quickly to get new ones, and just everything has worked out very well.